Introduction. Welcome to Bike Informers. Today, we explore a vehicle that elevates luxury to its pinnacle, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This masterpiece embodies the epitome of craftsmanship, performance, and timeless elegance. Join us as we journey through what makes the Phantom a standout in the ultra-luxury realm. A legacy honored, the centenary plaque and craftsmanship. Every 2025 Phantom and Phantom Extended carries a centenary plaque, an exclusive emblem celebrating 100 years of automotive excellence. Yet this is more than a mark of heritage. It symbolizes Rolls-Royce's unwavering dedication to bespoke artistry. The Phantom's details, from the shimmer of its starlight headlights, adorned with 580 laser-cut stars, to the gleaming tread plate, are design elements that tell a story of meticulous refinement. Design philosophy, silhouette, and the gallery. The Phantom's silhouette, elegant and flowing from the Spirit of Ecstasy to the tapered rear, represents a visual narrative of grace and power. Inside, the gallery defines interior luxury, a glass-encased art display stretched across the dashboard, customized per owner, a personal exhibition aboard a moving work of art. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood lies a potent 6.8-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering approximately 571 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Phantom sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds, with a governed top speed of 155 miles per hour. Its quiescent presence on the road belies its effortless might, a gentle giant that dominates with whisper-quiet authority. Ride and handling. Serenity meets innovation. The Phantom's ride quality is unrivaled, thanks to advanced systems inherited from the architecture of luxury platform, an aluminum space frame chassis shared with the Cullinan and Ghost. The standard Phantom features adaptive air suspension, while the extended version introduces four-wheel steering, active anti-roll bars, and a reinforced chassis for enhanced poise and handling. Optional features like laser headlights, a 7x3 HD head-up display, night vision, and a 4-camera panoramic view create an environment where technology seamlessly enhances comfort and safety. Dimensions, practicality, and presence. Timbered in grandeur, the Phantom tips the scales at around 6,069 pounds curb weight, and measures 227.2 inches long, with a 139.8-inch wheelbase. It offers 19 cubic feet of trunk space, a thoughtful balance of opulence and utility. The extended wheelbase variant, while not spelled out in specs above, likely amplifies the rear seat's sanctuary of space and serenity. Bespoke additions, personalization elevated. The Phantom Dental exemplifies the heights of bespoke luxury. Crafted for a discerning client, this one-off sedan is draped in delicate lace-inspired embroidery, featuring over 160,000 stitches on the dashboard and 70,000 on the rear panel. Its two-tone paintwork, rose gold accents, and embroidered artwork demonstrate personalized artistry of the rarest kind. Real-world feedback and price. With a base MSRP of approximately $533,150 for the standard Phantom and nearly $613,150 for the extended version, the 2025 Phantom is positioned at the summit of luxury sedans. Owners praise its reliability and quality, with satisfaction ratings around 4.4 to 4.5 out of 5. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a rolling embodiment of elegance and poise. Conclusion: the pinnacle Rolls-Royce experience. In the realm of ultra-luxury sedans, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom offers an experience beyond transportation. It's a sanctuary, a masterpiece, and a purely immersive expression of personal taste. From its bespoke craftsmanship and innovative tech to its commanding presence, it represents the highest echelons of automotive excess. Thank you for exploring the 2025 Phantom with Bike Informers, where luxury meets substance.